Hey riders! If you're looking for insane power, speed, and a massive 270 kilometers range, you're in for a wild ride. Introducing the 13000W high-speed electric motorcycle, built for thrill. Designed for the future. With a 72V brushless motor and 100Ah battery. This beast hits up to 130 km per hour and keeps going for hours. Whether you're commuting, racing, or hitting rough terrain, it's your ultimate companion. The design? Sleek, strong, and built with premium 6061 aluminum alloy. You'll love the oil brakes, massive tires, and ergonomic frame made for max control and comfort. Ready to ditch fuel and ride electric with zero emissions and pure power. Grab yours today. The future of off-road speed is here. Link in description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more electrifying reviews.